everyone, in this video we are going to learn pipes. Pipes is basically used for format the particular value which you are going to pass. So Angular pipes takes the integer, strings, arrays and date as the input separated with the pipe to be converted in the format as required and display same in a browser. Inside the interpolation expression, we can define the pipe and use it based on the situation, as there are many types of pipes we can use in a Angular application. So some default pipes which are inbuilt in a Angular application we can see here. Just like a first type of pipe is uppercase. So how we can do that? We can write like name, that is string, so value is that, just like you can write like it tuition. Okay, so this one is a sum of that uppercase and sum of the lowercase. If I want to convert into uppercase, so how we will do that one? Just copy, and that pipe will use on interpolation, just interpolation, then pipe, and then you can write uppercase. Just run the application, ng star open. See, now it's converted, that format is uppercase. Now if you want to make it lowercase, so again you can write like a lowercase, just save it, then you can see the lowercase. See, now it's in lowercase. So another types of inbuilt pipe is CurrencyPipe. So how we can write, how we can use that CurrencyPipe? Just go here, just write here some value, currency value, it will be number, then value is the 1 2 3 4 5 6. So CurrencyPipe, this one can use that, again interpolation against with that pipe, then you can write currency. The next parameter will be symbol which you want to use, just like I'm going to use that I and R. So let's see, just save it, you can check. So see, with that's coming with the symbol, that 1 2 3 4 5, that it's converting into the decimal format, that currency format, and here that prefix is that currency. Another we are going to use that date. So how you will use the date? Just delete this one. Then current date is equal to new date. If you are not going to use that particular date with that help of pipe, we are not going to format, so let's see how it will be look like. Just save it. So it will look like this. So now we are going to format this one. So for format we are going to use the pipe, so like a date, so it's coming like that. So if you want to format, you want to keep that your custom format, so how you will do that? Just dd YYY1. Just save it. Now you can see that it's coming like a format. So this one is the build type pipe. So now we are going to create that custom pipe. So how will you create that one? Just open one more CLI command, write ng g for generate pipe You can write custom. Okay, press enter. So here you can see that this one is the constructor pipe. So it's implementing that pipe transform. So basically it's implementing, and we are getting that one, that particular value. So here I am going to return, just return. We are going to use the math.power. The first value will be that this value, and second is that collection. This one is the array, this any of collection. So this one I'm going to pass like a 0. Okay, so pipe name is your custom. So here what I am doing here, making that power. So that open the app component dot ts. Here we are going to write one value, that is a power value is equal to, this one will be the number, then value will be 12 if I want to pass. So this power value I'm going to use as a interpolation. This interpolation, this one is the actually your value, this one power value. Okay, next pipe, that pipe name is, you are using that custom pipe. So this one is a custom pipe. So you are writing that custom, just save it. Then second argument, just first one, this one is the return the 12, then power value will be that with the colon, you can write like a 3. Just save it. Let's see what's the value will come. This is 17 to 28. Just to make it simple, so I'm going to write here 5, and this one will be 3. So now it's 125. If I want to add, because if you will look that clearly, it's that the collection, it's an array. Okay, this one is the array. So you can add that, you can pass that multiple value. So if again, if you want to add some value, just like a args, then first one. So what the value will come if you want to add here. So what here in that HTML, again you can write like a colon. Just you want to add like a 15. So now the value will be, so this value should be add here. Just save it. Just save it. Now check. Now it's a 140. Again, if you want to check that, again if you want to add some more value, just like GS and 2. Again, if you want to pass like a 20, just save it. Now you can check. It's adding here. So because of here in the custom pipe, actually it's an array. So array, how you will pass in array with that help of a colon. If you are column 1, column 3 for 15, 20, if you are going to add, this value is coming in array. So what the position, that is a 0, 1, 2. So here you can say 0, 1, 2. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching.